The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is finally official, and just like the Galaxy Z Folds before it, it packs a tremendous amount of firepower. But performance is not everything. After all, what's the point of a phone/mobile powerhouse if its battery can't last you throughout an intense day? That is why we must ask, does the Galaxy Z Fold 5 have good battery life? And is the Galaxy Z Fold 5's battery life better than that of its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with the same 4,400 mAh battery as its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. However, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 packs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset under the hood, which is more power efficient than the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 on the Z Fold 4. This means that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has a pretty good battery life and most likely has even better battery life than its predecessor, the Z Fold 4. How much battery does the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has two power cells that add up to 4,400 mAh. Sounds familiar? Well, that is because the Galaxy Z Fold 4 also comes with two batteries, which together also add up to 4,400 mAh. In other words, we can receive a battery upgrade this year. Does the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have wireless charging? Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 supports 10-watt wireless charging, just like its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. So you will be able to use a wireless charger to charge your Galaxy Z Fold 5. Does the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 have reverse wireless charging? Yes, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 has reverse wireless charging. As for the charging speed, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 supports 4.5 watt, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 4. What charger does the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 use? The Galaxy Z Fold 5 comes with 25-watt wired charging, which means you will need a compatible charger of at least 25 watt for the phone to be able to reach its maximum charging speed. Of course, you need to buy one separately, since the Galaxy Z Fold 5 doesn't come with a charging brick in the box. How fast does the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 charge? The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 would probably need about 73 minutes to fully charge itself. The Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with the same 4,400 mAh battery and 25-watt charging speed and fills its tank in around 73 minutes. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.